Fire resistance is always an issue regarding the construction, the design and construction of a facility. Light timbers burn in approximately 30 minutes, whereas heavy timbers will not burn for up to an hour. So you want to consider these types of things. By the way, local fire code may have some definition on what the requirements are in your local areas. Light frame is cheap and easy to construct, goes together quickly, but will burn and collapse much more rapidly. Heavy timbers are substantially more resistant to fire and will support greater weight inside the facility as well. If you have greater load-bearing requirements, you'll need to go to concrete or cinder block with rebar reinforcements. And even the greatest level of reinforcement won't stop all forms of attack. Of course, the concrete is substantially more fire resistant than any type of wood construction. Next, we'll take a look at where we should locate the data center. The data center, of course, is one of the more valuable areas in our corporate environment. So we'll want to protect this from these exterior threats. I never want to put the data center on the lower floors because these are more subject to flooding, and I generally don't want to put them on the higher floors because if the building ever catches on fire, fire always rises, and also too close to the roofs very often will leak. You want to keep your data center towards the center of the building, usually away from exterior walls. So again, the data center is one of your more valuable areas regarding your information assets. I want to see to it that this is physically secure. Generally, I'll have locks on the door on the data center. I also need to consider the support services required for the data center, and that would be heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and electricity. The walls for the data center should go from floor to true ceiling, not just drop-down ceiling. If we only have a partition between rooms, a bad guy can simply raise the